We are going to take a look at another potential winning product, do some competitor research, and also show you some flaws of Super Alley. Okay, let's play the video. You get the idea. Product is shaker siphon tip. When you're trying to transfer fuel from one place to another, you don't have to use pump or your mouth or anything like that. You just have to shake it, and fuel to transfer will start. Okay, let's do some competitor research. And for that, we are going to just click on this find sellers button, and this is going to use these images and try to find someone who has tried selling this product. As we can see, no one has tried selling it on Shopify, and that's where the flaw lies. Okay, because this depends on the kind of input we are receiving from here. If I go to another listing which has different images for the same product, okay, and click on find sellers, what's going to happen is we are going to find a few dropshippers who have tried selling this product. 1, 2, and 3. Rest of them are Lazada, so we can ignore that. So the tool is not perfect, so I would recommend you to actually try and try this feature on a few listings to make sure that whatever the product you are trying, you understand the competition and everything. Let's try to find some content for this product, and for that we are going to copy the title of the product, hit videos only. In the advanced filter, we are going to select all time and hit search. Okay, now usually I would stop here. Okay, but once again, this is the flaw. Okay, if you will scroll down a little more, what you will see there that there are two more listings with videos. Okay, and if you scroll down a little further, you will see there is one more listing. Okay, so when you're trying to find content as well, I would recommend you to not stop at the top of the search results. Go further down the page and see if there is any other product with different, if there is any other listing for the same product with different images which can serve your purpose. Okay, if you understand this market well and you can come up with a great angle, probably you can use it to target aquarium or probably for some boat or something. There are a lot of angles to play with this product, so if you can come up with something different, I would definitely recommend you try it out and let me know how it works out for you. I'll see you in the next video.